Hello dear friends, today in the video you will find 4 delicious recipes. My recommendation is to watch all of them and choose your favorite. Cut 1 loaf of bread in half. 2 eggs. Write from which country you watch my videos. A little ketchup. One tomato. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We will be glad to see you among us. White mushrooms. Sausage. Olives. If you want to support me, please share this video with a friend. Thanks for watching and support. See you in the next video. The cheese you like. Bake for 20 minutes. Hello everybody, in this video I will share you a delicious and simple recipe for crispy chicken. 3 sausages, beef wash, seasoned with salt and pepper. What country are you watching from? I will be glad if you write in the comments. Put in the middle. Friends, I have a friend from Korea with amazing crispy hot dogs with deep fried cheese. I will share the recipe with you when this video reaches 170 likes, and subscribe so you don't miss it. Olive oil. Fry on both sides. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe so you don't miss my other recipes. And if you are subscribed to my channel, I'm waiting for you in the comments. Six slices of bread. Deep fry. Place on paper towels. Three slices of processed cheese. Send this video to your friends because it's very tasty. Ketchup and mustard to taste. Incredible! Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a delicious toast recipe. Olive oil, 2 slices of bread, fry on both sides, 3 eggs. What country are you watching my video from? A little dill, a pinch of salt. Mix well. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell so you don't miss my next video recipes. Great to see your support. Olive oil. Fry 2 more slices of bread. Vegetable oil, two small cucumbers, one tablespoon of tomato paste or ketchup, two slices of processed cheese, cover with a lid for a couple of minutes. If you are subscribed to my channel, press the bell, you will receive a new video notification. I hope to see you in the next recipe. Be healthy and happy! Hello, today I'm preparing a delicious breakfast. 4 slices of bread. Where are you looking from? Please write, it's very interesting. 4 slices of processed cheese. Be sure to subscribe if you liked my recipe. Sausage 8 slices. You can support me by sharing my video. Hard cheese 4 slices. Please don't forget to like my video. 4 more slices of bread. Turn on notifications so you don't miss my videos. 2 eggs. Let me know in the comments if you like this recipe. 100 milliliters of milk. At the end of the video, I will share new unique recipes with you. A pinch of salt. Dip the sandwiches in the egg mixture. Cheese. Bake for 15 minutes.